Hello there and welcome to our annual Christmas show. It's that time of year once again, and time is getting away from us. Jonine and I are both late for work, so this is going to be an abbreviated show. As you know, it's a Christmas tradition of ours each year to make a Christmas tree ornament from the previous year's Christmas tree. And here's the very first one we made. This was in 1993, all those years ago. Very simple design. And now what we're going to be doing is making our Christmas tree disc from last year's Christmas tree. So this is going to be 2022. So no time to waste here. Let's get going. Got my soldering iron heated up. And no mistakes allowed here. Well, maybe one or two. And I burned in the year for this year's disc, made from last year's Christmas tree. And on the other side, it's a blank slate right now, so I've got to come up with some kind of design. But Jonine's family is stopping by, so we're going to share some Christmas spirit with them. And when we come back, I'm going to show you what I did with our disc. Just take the balls and put on your back right. Okay, your turn.
I'm not even gonna get it.
All the way, all the way.
Wow.
Excellent. Good job. Excellent.
It's kind of hard. It is. You can cheers.
Merry Christmas!
There we go. That's it. Chris, come on, give me your. Hannah, you didn't think you were going to get away with it.
Can't stop looking at it.
I came across that.
And our disc is finished for this year. There it is. And I was looking for something to put on the back that would be relevant to our world these days. And this is what I came up with. Peace on Earth. I think that's something we can all use a little more of. So here comes Jonine. And we both like to wish you a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.